Hi there, this is Shazim from Shazim Tricks. Today I'm going to show you how to make low quality logo into high resolution vector logo in Photoshop. So let's get started. Open your Photoshop software. Open your low quality logo. Okay, this Depixelate low quality logo, I am going to show you how to make any low quality raster logo or low resolution small logo into high quality vector logo in Photoshop. Now I am going to make it high resolution or high quality. Ctrl or Command Z for duplicate layer. Go to image, then image size. Image size 2000 pixels, then click on the OK. Now go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur. Gaussian blur radius 3 or 4 pixels, then click on the OK. Now go to adjustment layer and then select the labels. Labels position left to right and right to left, and see the magic. It's make nice high resolution vector type logo. Now hold press Ctrl Alt Shift E to apply this current image, okay, of these three layers, and selected this layer. Then select magic wand tool or quick selection tool. Okay, now hold press Ctrl Alt R, then and select from here smooth 10, feather 0.2, contrast 2, and shifted -5, and click on the OK. See the logo, it's totally make high resolution. Outline area is smooth and high resolution, but one way it can be make totally high resolution and same to same 100% same to same this type of logo, because this logo is distorted and some area not okay as it's before. See the before and after image. This area and this area, it's not fine. So I'm going to show you the best way to make this logo vector type and make this logo high resolution. So delete all this layer. Okay, delete all this layer. Now create a new layer. Select the pen tool and select the area of the logo. Carefully select the logo so that it can be 100% same of this logo, same to same. Okay, after that selection, then go to path. Here go to path and select the color, same to same this color, then click on the OK, the foreground color, and here click on this fill path with foreground color, and you can off this layer. Take a white background, alter and backspace, and mouse right click and delete path. See this logo, that is the before low quality pixelate image, and that is the after high quality and high resolution vector logo. This way you can make any logo high resolution vector type. I hope this video helped you. I hope you will like my video. Please share this video and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to to get notifications for any updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much for staying with me. See you next tutorial.